Hi, I'm Tony Asaro, and I'm going to discuss with you the Hammerspace Global File System and why it matters. Hammerspace enables you to have a single file system that spans multiple sites, even if they are thousands of miles apart. For example, you can have 1 billion files in New York and have all of that data accessible in Tokyo without having to copy any of it. We do this by replicating metadata at each one of your remote data centers. In this example, the files in New York appear to be local to the users in Tokyo, and yet no data has been copied. You can replicate the same metadata to multiple sites around the globe, providing access to files stored in New York to London, Sydney, San Francisco, Berlin, etc., as if the files were local to them. And yes, it's not an all-or-nothing capability. You control what data users can access in each location. No other file system in the world has this capability. The power of our global file system is to make your file data accessible where you need it, when you need it, without having to copy millions or even billions of files that consume hundreds of terabytes or multiple petabytes of storage. Naturally, it's not enough just to make metadata available everywhere. That's why Hammerspace provides file granular replication. Replicate only the files you need for local access and performance. File granular replication is enabled through our objective-based policy engine and/or by replicating files on demand. Hammerspace provides a single logical system that spans multiple sites with no geographic limits. This is not System A talking to System B, talking to System C, and so on. This is System A, which exists in multiple locations. We greatly simplify how data is stored, accessed, shared, protected, moved, and utilized. Hammerspace is a platform that provides hybrid cloud NAS and multi-site NAS for a wide range of use cases. For example, data-driven customers need their knowledge workers to collaborate all over the world. Additionally, we provide full data lifecycle management from the creation of data, protecting and recovering data, and long-term archive, all built within our file system, requiring no third-party applications. And we're seeing an ever-growing need to provide accessibility of file data with NAS on demand, making data available as needed to a global workforce. Hammerspace enables our customers to implement new use cases that were essentially impossible before. You can now have your data available where you need it, when you need it. Companies are no longer weighed down by their IT infrastructure. Once your data is stored in Hammerspace, you have live, transparent mobility whether you want your data stored on-premises and/or in the public cloud. Reducing capital expenditure and operational costs is always important. We do this in numerous ways, from greatly reducing how much data you replicate, tiering, dedupe, live and non-disruptive data mobility, self-healing and recovery, ransomware protection, etc. Hammerspace gives you greater control and protection of your files, and we enable you to get better use out of your data. It is only then you can truly be a data-driven enterprise.